Alright, so yesterday was like 60. Today is 30 degrees. They said it's about to snow, start snowing about 11 o'clock. Like clockwork. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm dressed a little under the weather today. We'll see. Might be a long day. I have a feeling we're gonna be pretty busy. Oh yeah. This will be real fun. Yeah! The bright side of my car is so warm. One thing that sucks about delivery is being hungry. Like I had a huge bowl of cereal, 2 protein bars, and it's only like 11:30 and I'm just like starving. Yeah, pretty busy today. My assumption was fair, although the snow's not coming yet. I am gonna try something. I have no idea at all if it'll work. Sweet. Oh.
Yay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Heck yeah. Yeah, that's the extent of my job in a nutshell. But like, repeated like 100 times a day. I am going to very much love cutting all this footage of me putting it in and out of my pocket. But that's okay. Such is life. Alright, we're going up. Alright. Hello. How are we doing today? Good. Can I take one of these?
No. Yes,
No?
you can.
Okay, thank you.
Funny.
I got a thing for sweets.
Oh, well, then have some more there. Here, have another one.
Another one? Thank you.
You bet. Talk to you later.
You too, have a good day. I'm getting off. It is 2:08. I come back at 4 to go for a run with a friend here, and he convinced me into running 5 miles today. I have not run 5 miles in a very long time, and the weather is not exactly stellar for that, but try it out. Okay, I found one of my running gloves. I'm not sure where the other one went.
Okay, in every single video, you usually get me doing this. Every time!
Well, then do something
I
else.
have a life, okay?
No, she really doesn't. When are you gonna get a job?
Never!
I'm beginning to question this whole running in the cold thing. It's starting to snow. I'm already here, so I might as well do it. Dude, it's slick. My glasses keep fogging up. Big time. Nerd. Oh wait, that's me. Good run. Very cold and slippery and slushy. And I didn't have my hat on, so my hair is so crazy. I'm gonna shower, then back to work.
I'm getting dizzy.
Whoa. Now back to work. This weather's getting worse. This guy is insane. Oh man. Oh yeah. My favorite. Let's go this way. Yeah, I'm going the right way. Okay. It turns out I was not going the right way, but now I am. I just got stuck twice while driving within the span of 10 minutes. I had a delivery with me. I just decided to walk up about 6 blocks and just make the delivery, come back and try and get unstuck. This lady actually, I pushed the car while she drove it, and then when we were sliding, she's like, it felt like I was drifting. Adventures in the snow in almost April. Who would have thought? All right, so I am off work. I left my car at a parking garage. Not much room in our driveway for more vehicles. So my sister picked me up. Glad to be off and not stuck. Yeah, I'm gonna go home now. All right, so I am currently needing to get out of this spot because it was strictly in no parking zone, not handicapped. There's a lady over there. She's the parking ticket lady. Very close.